wala pong Mama Mary na nagsasalita. Joke lamang po yun. Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Wala po bang malakas na hiyawan dyan? Thank you very, very much. While celebrating beauty and diversity, this program aims to promote the beauty and richness of our diverse communities. Ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, standing in front of you is a 28-year-old stunner who hails all the way from the land of the most beautiful sirenas in the Philippines, Piñahan, Quezon City. My name is Casey Bañez Pakulan. I am your Queen of Quezon City 2018 and your reigning Miss International Queen Philippines NCR. Tonight is more than just a fiesta. Tonight is a celebration of beauties all over the Philippines. And ladies and gentlemen, panel board of judges, talking about national, cultural, or creative costume, this elegant ensemble represents the timeless beauty and grace of Filipino fashion. I am wearing a modern Filipiniana, and this depicts a significant connection to the divine feminine, loving, selfless, compassionate. Judges, I am your candidate number 10. Please do remember my number because tonight I will give you the best show and the night to remember. Good evening.
Once again,